Can you imagine a time when giant kangaroos ruled the earth? Echidnas the size of sheep? Huge wombats the size of a bear? This was a reality until about 125,000 years ago, when they all started disappearing, then slowly were wiped out over the next 100,000 years or so. But there's one big question. What could have made these huge creatures disappear? By comparing timelines that we've found from fossils and carbon dating, we can finally get an answer as to what killed the megafauna. Human predation and the destruction of habitat theory. Scientists have discovered new evidence based on new and better ways of dating remains using optically stimulated luminescence and uranium-thorium dating of megafaunal bones. This suggests that humans were the main cause of the extinction of megafauna in Australia. The dates show that the last of the megafauna became extinct around the same time, about 47,000 years ago. This was the time in which humans first arrived in Australia. The dates suggest the main reason for extinction was the human burning of the land. Many plants were not able to survive regular fires, and so the types of plants changed. Scientists have studied oxygen and carbon isotopes from the teeth of megafauna. These show sudden, dramatic, non-climate-related changes in plants and in the diet of surviving marsupial animals, as well as the loss of the megafaunal species. The climate change theory. Climate change, which made the country much drier during an ice age about 18,000 years ago, could have led to the extinction of the megafauna. Some scientists say that climate change alone caused the extinction of the megafauna. This argument does not allow for the fact that the megafaunal species had lived through 2 million years of climate changes. They'd lived through a number of dry times before their sudden extinction. It is known that it was a dry climate at the time of their extinction, similar to today's dry climate. However, we also know that megafauna could live in dry climates. With the current evidence, it's very hard to tell exactly what caused the extinction of the megafauna. However, most likely it was majorly human predation and the destruction of habitat, mixed with a changing climate.